Okay, another quick cast. I'm in a fairly noisy cafe, so I hope the sound is going to be okay. Basically, what I have here is a project with a Gatsby theme, as well as two demos set up through Yarn Workspaces. Um, what happens is this Gatsby theme is a child theme of Gatsby theme blog. Gatsby theme blog has some expectations that your content will have some images inside them. So for example, here I have an image, and here I have an image. Here I don't have an image. Here I don't have an image, and here I don't have an image. But basically some expectation that there will be an image somewhere. That's one demo. In my second demo, I don't have images at all. Okay. So the problem comes, so this compiles fine, and this builds fine. The problem comes when I do my second demo, I run into these errors. The reason I have these errors is because Gatsby image creates fragments. I can't click into them right now, but yeah, they create fragments like this, all of which depend on these types existing in the GraphQL schema. But if your entire project doesn't have any images at all, then these types won't be inferred and won't exist. So this is a problem for reusability, because what if I don't want to have images? Why are you giving me all these nasty errors? It's really super annoying. I've definitely run into this in other projects, and I've basically just ignored it by just putting in dummy image. I really don't like that, but that's just what the design entails. So one thing I started just investigating is why not just fake these types? I'm never going to use them, but at least it will just make this happy, right? It will just make these fragments happy. And so the way to fake types is to use the Gatsby Schema Customization APIs. So let's find them here. There's a whole long blog post. It actually is a kind of simple API. So there's the create types, there's create resolvers, and then there's the type builder. So 3 ways to do these things. We only need to create types. So basically just go to Gatsby node and then export source node, and then just say create types with the schema definition language that you would have implemented anyway on the GraphQL side. Okay, so I go into that, and so let's call this node.js. So this is inside my theme, and these 2 demos use the theme. So I'm going to comment these out. And where I grab these types are not listed anywhere in the code base. They're inferred, right? So essentially what I had to do is run this, right? And then go into the graphical for that working demo, and then look at this, and then copy and paste and manually just copy out everything. I also do a console log below here, just to show you another issue that I ran into. So anyway, so now I have this Gatsby node inside of my theme, and that should patch everything. Right, so again, I'm going to run my Derek demo. And you can see something unexpected. I don't know the reason for this. Sorry, I'm next to a coffee machine, which is conveniently very busy. Okay, so yeah, I don't know the reason why it doesn't seem to be running. That's why I put a whole bunch of logs here, because I expected them to log out something. Gatsby node inside of my theme doesn't seem to be running at all. That's very unexpected. I have no idea why. Oh, is it just because? Okay, I think this is on me. I haven't set up a Gatsby config. I'm an idiot. Okay. All right. Well, in that case, I was expecting to ask for help but it looks like I don't need to, because all I need to do is just add a Gatsby config.js. And yeah, I thought I had this. I'm sorry. Okay, well, let's try and rerun again. If it works, I should see a different error, because that's where I left things. But at least I see the login, which is good. And here it has multiple tabs. Okay. I might have screwed up. I might have not needed this in the first place and tried to fix a problem I did not have. In which case, I'm going to delete this video. All right. So node field GitHub on-site metadata 2. All right. Well, so yeah, it looks like I don't need any of this, so I'm just going to delete it. Cheers.